I had a few wonderful days in Belarus, in the capital Minsk. It's time to fly out. Before I fly out, I would like to give you the tour of the business class lounge, which I've just entered into Belarus International Airport. So let's go inside the business lounge. This is the entrance of business lounge at the Minsk International Airport in Belarus. So that's the reception. You can use your Master Visa card to enter in, and there is a Christmas tree, a small duty-free shop which is closed, and as you enter in, this is the seating area. They have flat beds as well where you can lay down, perhaps a small playing area for the kids. Some workstations here. You have flight information displayed. It's not a big lounge, but still comfortable. So as you enter in, this is the bar and coffee area, mobile charging station, food section, you have some hot food, fresh veggies, a coffee machine, and then soft drinks. And the first one seems to be cheese corner. I think it is paid. Different sort of meats. And they have various type of juices, water, drinks, sweets, yogurts, jellies, and that's the rest of the seating area. Some more food, water, cupcakes, some candies, some biscuits. Let's go and check in the washroom as well. I don't know what is here, but the washroom is here. Very basic wash, but clean. No showers. I hope you like the tour of the Minsk International Airport Business Lounge. Let's take a safe flight. See you on the other side. Allah Hafiz.